purpose of this video is to show how to measure a replacement window that's going up against a, today this is like a wood flat surface, but it also could be a cedar shingle, stucco. It's just we're measuring a brick mold, tip to tip measurement. So again, it's always width first, then height, and we're going to measure it in a couple of places just to make sure. You would want to get a first to bottom measurement, and we're just going to hook it on the outside of the brick mold and measure to the other side. And this is 44¼ is the actual brick mold. So I would take 1/8 of an inch off of that just so we have some room. So we'd make it 44 1/8. I'm going to measure up a little higher on the window. It's still 44¼ and then we'll get a ladder and measure the top of it to get the top measurement. But again, we're going to go with 3 measurements. Take 1/8 of an inch off of your narrowest measurement. Then we would measure the height, and again in 3 places. Just going to hook the tape measure on here. Hook it at the very top. Measure to the bottom, and we're at 91 7/8 there. Actually it's close to 7/8. Tape the hook on right there. And this is actually 92¼ on this side. Back here and check this measurement again. It's 92. So we're going to take the smallest measurement, which is 92, take 1/8 of an inch off of that. It'll be 91 7/8 will be the height measurement.